How to sign in Slack on mobile using Cracode 2025. Typing passwords on your phone can be annoying, and that's why Slack's Cracode sign-in is a game changer. Most people don't even realize this feature exists. To start, open Slack on your desktop or web browser and sign in normally. Click your workspace name and go to Profile or Settings. Look for the option to sign in on mobile using a Cracode. Now open the Slack app on your phone. On the sign-in screen, tap Sign in with Cracode. Your phone's camera will open automatically. Point your camera at the Cracode displayed on your computer screen. Within seconds, you'll be logged in on your phone. No typing, no passwords, no hassle. Here's the part most people miss. The Cracode expires quickly for security reasons, so scan it right away. If it expires, simply refresh and generate a new one. This method is especially useful for work accounts with long or complex passwords or when two-factor authentication is enabled. The surprising truth is that Sign-in is not just faster, it's also more secure because it avoids password exposure. Now you know how to sign into Slack on mobile using a Cracode in 2025. If productivity matters to you, subscribe for more smart workflow tips.